Hello, little one.
Hi.
What's your name?
Aubrey.
Aubrey. Okay. We're headed swimming this morning. Headed out to the so beautiful outside again today. All right, Riri. What I tell you about hitting people?
Cass is this TV. Me too.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I hope that you're having a beautiful Sunday also. Giving God all the glory and the praise. I thank Him for keeping us safe through the night, for waking us up this morning. God is so good. So good. And a lot of times we just don't do as much as we can as Christians. Showing Him that we love Him and that we believe in Him. Me and the family are up. Me and my daughter, 2 grandkids, we're getting ready to head over to the Y again to put some exercise in. It is almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon on Sunday. I'm going to show you what I'm having, what I'm going to be eating for my first meal. But I'm finna eat some of this before I go. I'll finish it when I come back. Let me go ahead and show this to you. So this is what I'll be breaking my fast with, and this is some tri-tip steak. I have that along with some meatloaf that my daughter made. Got a few vegetables in there, but not many. So this is how I'm going to be breaking my fast today, and this is Sunday, so the meatloaf is really a good treat that I'm having, that she made yesterday. It is so good. This is breakfast. Okay, so I'm at the Y this morning, and this is the group fitness class I got. This class is I have the schedule on this one. Sunday. Rest meals RPMs. Because it's like about 12:10. Yoga. 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Gym today, so I'm getting ready to go find me a machine to get started. Let's see, I think I'll start with a bike today. Something like a recumbent bike. So this one here, this is what I'm going to start with. So I'm doing a recumbent bike, and I'm not going to be able to share everything with you, but I just saw where it says that I can do like a quick start on here. So I'm doing a quick start, but I've already been on here for about 2 or 3 minutes. So this is just going to be a 10-minute recumbent bike workout. This is the next machine. It was occupied the other couple of days I was here, so I'm fixing to get on this. And this one pushes my body up and down. I've done 20 of the leg presses. Actually, 25 I'm going to stop at. So 2 more. 1 and 2. The next machine is the inner outer thigh. And I'm doing 20, 10. I'll probably add 10 more. This is my next machine, and actually my next two. Then I'm going to just switch over to this one that's here on the side. So get ahead and get started with this. So I'm about to run out of recording room, so I'm going to get ready to end this video. But I'm at the YMCA again. This is Keto Granny. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. That way you won't miss any videos that I share as I'm on my way to losing my last 50 pounds of weight. You should join me. Have a great day. There they are having fun in the pool. I was going to swim with them, but I changed my mind. And I've been working out in the gym area, so I just came over, and I think they got about 5 more minutes left. But hope you're having a great day, and until next time, this is Keto Granny saying stay blessed. Give God all the glory. Amen.
Dad should have probably followed.
Hello everybody. Look how beautiful and gorgeous it is. I'm at one of the neighborhood parks, and I never knew that you can follow this trail around this way and end up on top of this building, I guess to look at the flowers up there. I only have like 6 minutes on here, so I'm just gonna take different parts of my walk, but this is one I'm starting, and I've given you the view. There's a little area that you can walk around down there, and you see a lot of the people standing down there over here. So I'm getting ready to head down this way. On my way back, I'll take some more pictures and share with you. So today, instead of being in the gym, I am outside today. I'll be out walking and just taking pictures and sharing with you the beautiful scenery and the beautiful areas that I'm walking in. So this is the way that I'll be going. Here are the ducks and everything there. Okay, I'm getting ready to head back to get my walking in and my steps. Look at the bird running right along with me. running through here. Little stream. Go up on the bridge and around like a little atrium area. So let's go here. Oh, somebody has their stuff under there. That's scary. It's the water. And this used to be like a really clean area here, and it was full of the ducks or whatever they were, geese, or but they were swimming down here, and you know, all kinds of different birds when I first moved here. But this is gorgeous walking area, as you can see. Okay, we're here at the hill here. Area down there. Kitty over there in the car. So I walked all back through there, down by the pond, then down that hill, then under the bridge, back around through here. Now we're going around here. And I'll probably come back around the mound there. Gratings. I don't know what I'm walking over. Looks like water though. I'm sure it is. Because it comes out over there on the other side. Down over there. I never walked down through there. Go see. But this is going to end my walk. Getting ready to head back to the car. Hope you're getting out, getting you some good sunshine. It's a beautiful day to exercise. Beautiful day to get out and enjoy all the beautiful, beautiful things that nature has to offer. Also for you to become more involved with nature. Anyway, have a great day and I'll talk to you later. This is Keto Granny. Let's go around the mountain here before I head back. That's the view. Have a great day. This is dinner, and this is a T-bone steak. I have made some au jus to go with it. Very, very good and tender. Today I am Lion Carnivore. A great, great meal. This is how I'm breaking my fast this morning, and I have just a variety of meats that I have cooked. I have tri-tip steak, I have T-bone steak, and I have some flanking steak. Some of the flanking steak is prepared just normally, just with seasonings, and then one has a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. So this is how we are breaking our fast. Also, I've made a keto gravy here. My husband wanted gravy, so I've made a keto gravy here. And then he'll be able to put this on his meat as he wants. I think I'm going to use a little bit of this morning and just put it in a small container and just use it for a dipping sauce. Anyhow, this is how I'm breaking my fast. So what's up, everybody? It's Keto Granny. I am in Oklahoma City, and tomorrow I have my big fashion show. Well, my big jewelry show. I don't know why I keep saying fashion show. To me, I am showing fashionable jewelry, so that's why I say that. But anyhow, I just wanted to hop on here to say hi, to check in, that you know I'm doing well on my carnivore and keto journey. I am really enjoying myself. I just went to the store to pick up some things, you know, that I can eat. So I'm going to be more carnivore here and meat-based, though. I'm going to be more carnivore, lion, but I am going to be having some vegetables because that's just the way it's going to work best for me at least for these few days here while everyone is here and we are preparing and cooking and stuff. So I am going to be doing keto, carnivore, lion diet. And I will try to share with you the foods that I eat and some of the fun time that I'm having here in Oklahoma City. So I hope that you're having a good time and that you're being able to enjoy your family for the holiday season. Anyhow, this is Keto Granny saying stay focused on you, stay focused on your weight loss journey, and I'm going to share with you some of the foods that I have eaten.